Hey everybody, Chris here. So Dogecoin to lead the altcoin season pump. We're going to talk about that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out as well as when I do live streams. And we're typically live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday around 4 o'clock p.m. East Coast time, but I've been throwing in a lot of extra live streams because there's so much going on. Not only Bitcoin almost to 100K, we did have a lot of fun Friday night with that Bitcoin watch, also Dogecoin to $1, just having fun with that as well. But Bitcoin has not hit that 100K yet. There'll be a lot more watch parties going on as Bitcoin continues to fight that big sell wall up at 99.9. Not quite there yet, but right now, all eyes on Doge as well as other alts that have been running. We're going to take a look at that. We'll show you the news and the charts. Show you what I'm looking at. And we start here looking at the Dogecoin chart zoomed out. This is a 4-hour chart, and we are seeing the breakout from the bull flag exactly as predicted by Chris Pax. That's right. This is looking like it is that breakout we have been waiting for coming up. And where is Chris Pax's target? Well, it is up here at 60 cents on the bull flag. So we will see how that plays out. But for now, it's nice to see that this is all playing out into this weekend. We had some great trading last night. That is awesome. We are going to be looking at Bitcoin 98,700. This was my prediction of sort of bouncing off of that 99.8 level. We would see it maybe a couple times before we finally break out again. I made this prediction back here on Thursday that we wouldn't quite break out again. So we'll watch whether that plays out as predicted. We are starting to see ETH move up though finally. Algorand did have a big breakout. We were watching on Friday's live stream above 25 cents, and actually it's hitting 30 cents right now. Cardano did finally get over $1. We watched that during the live stream. That was exciting. Hedera is doing this big double top right now, right around 15 cents. SHIB starting to move again. It's been beaten down before, but we'll see whether SHIB finally gets its breakout. XRP did cross over $1.50, and Avalanche hit our target over $40 and is looking to move up again. So a lot of movement in a lot of the altcoins, and we do want to give a shout out, of course, to XLM. Came over a 32-cent price target and actually reached Dogecoin shortly for a short period of time, had a higher price than Doge, but has settled back down around 43 cents. So a lot of price movement we are watching across altcoins. Is this truly altcoin season? Well, all I have to do is look at Bitcoin Dominance, and look at what happened since Thursday. Bitcoin Dominance has dropped below 60%, now even below 59% as I'm recording this. Is this the sign of alt season? At the same time, though, Doge is leading the way. We have Dogecoin Dominance. That's right. Dogecoin Dominance back over 2%, touched up about 2.12. We are going to be watching this continue, Doge Dominance, as well as the Doge BTC trading pair. That's right. As Bitcoin continues to go sideways and Dogecoin moves up, Dogecoin has a higher value versus Bitcoin, as we have been watching on this channel as well. So overall, what's going on? Well, Trader Allen is saying this is alt season. We are in the very early stages of alt season. In this phase, Bitcoin continues its upward movement, but alts will outperform Bitcoin. This is what we saw back in 2021. The same thing happened around the time, late 2020. We saw alts take off versus Bitcoin, and this looks like this is setting up for the same kind of breakout, and we're going to have a lot of money flowing into the alts now, where Bitcoin has almost hit that 100K target, is not going to have the same kind of returns as the alts. This is what looks like is happening. What's happening with Dogecoin, though, and why I think Dogecoin is leading alt season, we have Elon Musk. That's right. Elon Musk, he's talking about, the United States debt and where all of this is, and is there some kind of Dogecoin inspired fix here? What is this about? Well, Elon says that this sort of fix of the overall United States debt crisis could be fixed with a department named after a meme coin. That's right. So Elon, again, tying this back in with Doge, with this, looking at the Department of Government Efficiency and Doge, and Elon Musk tells Trump, we're going to fix America with a department named after a meme coin. So the nod back to Dogecoin and the Dogecoin cryptocurrency continues. Will Elon do something more, though, with Tesla and other, and eventually X payments? Interesting. That could happen. And again, we also have Dogecoin. Could Dogecoin re-hit an all-time high? This price analysis, why Doge could surge 60%. Again, is Elon Musk X it's gonna launch this X payments soon. We have a lot of discussion about relative strength index, and again, zooming out back to 2021 when the RSI was super, super high, and this is on a monthly chart, zoomed way out. With this breakout happening now, again, the RSI is just starting to tick up, but we have so much more room to run. A lot of this is on the backs of this photo that we talked about. Someone took a screenshot of the Joe Rogan X account, and this $sign appeared. So it looks like the X engineers are starting to work out how X payments may work. And as Nima Auji pointed out, my speculation is that the dollar button is going to be used for sending money to someone as part of X payments. And Elon responded, true. Of course, Sir Doge of the coin says we need a Doge button as well. Again, pointing back out to that $sign also being the Department of Government Efficiency. So it's going to be interesting whether that remains the logo of the DOGE account, or is it going to change into something else, maybe something with a dog on it that Elon has hinted at. How high can Dogecoin go? This is a Cointelegraph article of looking at these huge possibilities of Doge reaching giant price levels, but the one thing to keep is Dogecoin to $1. Is this inevitable? Are we going to see Doge coming up to $1? Again, my first leg up price target is 60 cents still, and that is shown on my bull flag, but there could be further swings up. Javon Marks is looking at that next leg, 65 cents to $1.25. Trader Allen, Trader Tardigrade is looking this $1 target is inevitable for Dogecoin. So all of this is now starting to play out. And then we have good old Chris Pax. That's right. Chris Pax is in the news on News BTC as my clean bull flag, starting again at 38 cents, where we were seeing that as both resistance and support, and the next target coming up to 60 cents. That is in the news. That's right. Crypto analyst Chris Pax is identified with a link directly to my X post showing that breakout. So this goes back to this bull flag that I did about 6 days ago, almost a week ago. Identified the bull flag, and Doge is playing out right now according to that. So there are other flags that have been identified. We've got Ali looking at up to 82 cents. Yes, coming over the previous all-time high. And will that 82 cent price play out? Again, being a little more conservative, but still 60 cents is a big market cap for Dogecoin. Dogecoin continues on CoinMarketCap to gain ground. Will we see a 69,420 market cap? That's going to be coming as well. We're going to have fun with that as well, watching whether that happens. Again, Trader Tardigrade, he's got an 83-cent target on his bull pennant with the breakout happening. And Master Kenobi says, responding to this article, is Doge is the second best. It's like, no, Doge is the best. And why is Doge the best? It has no CEO. It has the best gains in the last 10 years, the most committed and powerful crypto community, best tokenomics, inflation as a feature, not a bug, better sustainability in the long term for miners, which I've talked about Dogecoin mining and how I think Dogecoin mining is going to grow into something much bigger than it is right now. Again, Doge as a proof of work cryptocurrency. And if you want to know more about Doge as proof of work and all of the details around the coins and the inflation feature, come join me on my live streams. Again, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'll probably have a Sunday evening live stream this week as well to sort of wrap up the weekend and look forward to the week ahead. But the best risk-reward crypto asset. We've got the Department of Government Efficiency. We have Elon. The best financial joke ever, Doge as a meme. There's so many things going on. Also, just a little wink and a nod back to Peter Schiff. Again, 10-year investments in gains, gold versus Bitcoin versus Dogecoin. Gold is up 136%. Bitcoin is up 33,000%. But Doge is up 883,000% in 10 years. The question is, who is the real meme here? So, well, that's just a snapshot in time. Right now, we are looking at this breakout as predicted we would have up over this 42-cent resistance line, and Doge looking great as we start the weekend. Give me a comment in below what you think about Doge's breakout here and where your price target is. Of course, we can just say Doge to the moon, right? And the moon can be whatever you want it to be. But right now, this is very positive for Doge. We're also continuing to track this CRISPAX DCA portfolio, which is now up over $52,000. That's right. This is a portfolio, separate portfolio. I put $10,000 in, weighted about half on Doge, and Doge is now over 2/3 of the portfolio with Doge's big run up. That's right, our Dogecoin that we have here, the 75,000 Dogecoin, bought at an average price around 6 cents, is now up $30,000. That's right, $30,000 of profit just on the Dogecoin we bought here, which was just less than 5,000 of total investment. Come join in on the live stream. I'm going to be giving out this 75,000 Dogecoin to the channel members. We're having a lot of fun on the live. Look, our worst performer in this portfolio is Sui, and it's up 100%. And that's our worst performer. That's how confident I was back in the summer of 2023 that alts were the investment then, clearly outperforming Bitcoin. This is alt season happening now. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the CRISPAX channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.